Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create custom statuses for your tasks and projects in the Freedcamp application. So let us dive into this. So here, as you can see, I'm inside the web version of Freedcamp and inside my account. So you will need to navigate to your project first, select it from that left drop-down menu here. Then guys, what you want to do is click into Manage Project here and choose View and Manage System in the bottom right for the given project you would like to create these custom statuses for. After that, navigate to Custom Fields and Statuses and choose, custom statuses, not custom fields, but you can of course also create custom fields here. Click into New Template and then create a new status by clicking into this button, give it a title or name. So, I don't know, let's say partially complete or partially done or under review and so on and so forth. Then select, I don't know, that I think that's a specific type of status. So I will go with doing, because partially complete doesn't mean the task has already been completed by 100%. And here you may assign a color. So partially I would give it a yellow. And you can also delete the task, the status here. And yeah, you can give the status list also a template title, like, I don't know, my project statuses. And now these statuses can be applied to your project. Click into Create Template to use it for your projects. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, you will need to enable it here, of course. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.